What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Hook and Needle. Me and my buddy DJ here. We are at Busch Wildlife fishing for some trout today. They released the trout here a couple of weeks ago. This is the first chance we've got to come out. We're gonna give it a shot. Let's see what we come up with. There we go. Yeah. Whew. You chump that sucker way on down, way on down. A little puff of that air. He's off. Cool. So really, I just had the worm center hooked, a split shot, about 1.5 feet, 2 feet up. All I'm really doing is casting out as far as I can get it to go. And I'm just letting it sink for a little bit. Sometimes I'll give it a little action, reel, bring it towards myself, let it sink a little bit more. And from that point, really, you just gotta kind of detect the small strikes or keep your eye on your line and watch for any line movement and then set it on them. Sometimes they like a faster retrieve, sometimes they like it slower, but there it goes. Just like that. Oh, he let it go. Yeah. Another little turd. Little boy. Little boy. He's got a lot of green in his back. He's awesome. There you go. Got him that time. 2 strikes. Smaller. Bigger than the other 2, I think, but oh yeah, that's actually a much better one. Good one. Yeah, he filled out the net good. Get some air flowing through them gills. There you go. That trout CPR. I think that's different with the lake trout right now as opposed to the rest of the winter is this whole week's been in the 70s. Yesterday was 70 something, and then last night was 34 degrees. Even though it cooled off, the water's still a bit warmer, so they're pushed out a lot deeper, a lot more to the center and the deeper parts of the lake. Usually all winter you'll see them cruising the bank, and right now they're just out a lot further. Just got to get it out there as far as you can and just let it slow fall, and they will bite. There we go. You really just stop randomly? Yeah. Trout really don't have a home, especially in the lake, you know. So they all right, little boy. Yeah. There he goes. Grab him like a sandwich. Ooh, you slippery. I told you. Get them gills going. See? What were you using for the last one you caught? Pink and white? Yeah, pink and whites were good. Stay on there, little boy. Stay on there. Oh, yeah.
Is it brown?
Yeah, the colors on that one are awesome. Man, look at the colors on that one.
That's cool. As long as that is a brown trout.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Yeah, no. Yeah, buddy.
That's cool.
Look at this dude. Trouting for bass.
It's not a bad one.
No, it's skinny as hell. Got a big ass head and a little body.
Yeah, like me.
Uh-oh.
You caught a bass?
Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
What is happening right now? At least he got some fight to him. Trout bait. Little bass. That's how we're doing it right now, I guess. Last season I did a tips and tricks video on lake trout. I will link that down in the description and put that on the end screen here. That's it for us. We're out of here. We caught a couple different kinds of trout and ended up with a couple bass. So we are heading out of here now. We will be back to do some more damage with the trout. It's always a good time. If you haven't, get out there and give it a shot. Till next time.